Stella's Starry Dream. Stella loves the stars. Every night, she looks out her window. She sings a little song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When she sees the first star, she makes a wish. Starlight, star bright, the first star I see tonight, she whispers. I wish I may, I wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. Stars are bright spots in the dark night sky. We cannot see them in the day. The sun is too bright. The sun is a big star. One night, Stella stayed up very late. It was midnight. The stars looked like they were dancing. They look like diamonds, she said. If you watch the stars for a long time, you might see a shooting star. It moves very fast across the sky. A shooting star leaves a trail of colorful stardust. It makes the whole sky look bright and beautiful. Sometimes, Stella wants to reach out and touch the stars. She wants to dance with them in the sky. What does a star look like up close, she wonders. Is it like the moon? Maybe one day, Stella thinks, I will go in a rocket ship. I will visit the dancing stars in the midnight sky.